Dry sense of humor. Dad jokes for the win. You like my shirt? Hey guys, real quick, I'm trying to get some stuff ready tomorrow. Trevor and I are supposed to go to the boat. It's the day after I got back from Inara with my uncle on his boat. I have the GoPro on my head mount so I can try and get this video done, but I can't see what the head mount's gonna see because I don't have my phone to see what it's looking at while I'm having this on. So it's gonna all be kind of a guessing game, but the plan is to drill out these holes here. There's holes, 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 hole, hole, to put little L brackets in to hook that to the boat. The issue is I've never paired the resin before, so what I'm gonna do is drill a small hole, bigger hole in these spots, fill those holes with resin, which is down here, and then after that cures overnight, drill into that, put in some of these, so that they have some actually solid to screw into, and hopefully it'll work. Who the fuck knows? But we're gonna try it, and either way, I have resin now. I have that resin, I have filler, I have fairing compound over there. Don't remember what I bought that for. I'm gonna put the headset on, see how it goes. I don't have my phone because it went overboard when I was out sailing yesterday, and so hopefully I get stuff on the video. If not, I'll just cut to when it's done. So we'll see how it goes. Hey Google Play. Oh, that's one. Here comes the stressful part. Look at those perfect circles. Equal parts, huh? Do I put some thickener in this? I don't know how much to do. Yes. So I don't know what the hell I'm doing with this. It's gonna be an adventure. But I do know these are drilled out the widest I can get them with the bits that I have. I have the really wide one up there, but it's got such a point on it. It would go through the bottom because it's not that deep of a board. So anyway, 1/2 inch diameter, I think. Again, the widest bit that I have. See, this is what I mean. That point would go all the way through to make the hole that wide. And I don't want to do that because I don't want it to drip through. But resin, equal part mix on these ones. I got some silica thickener. I just did like a tablespoon. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of each. Hopefully it doesn't kick and start a fire. I'll open the garage door for fume reasons and see how that goes. And mix that, fill that, stir it with that, or just a stick somewhere. Probably just a stick. It's not a very big piece. And then go from there. I should have bought popsicle sticks. That would have been smart. But this is me we're talking about. And if there's anything I am, it's not smart. Hi. I am doing some wood stuff today.
You caught something? You need to check your car?
Not today. I'm waiting for brakes.
Is that hot?
I don't know.
What is that?
It's for stirring stuff. The hat doesn't fit in there.
What are you doing with that?
I am making resin, I hope.
What are you making?
I made way too much. You guys like my brush? Apparently I don't have any brushes here. Apparently they're all on the boat. Sometimes a piece of wood just needs a good little massage. Good and deep little massage. Gotta get the knots out. Good little massage.
What is this?
It's a funnel. So this is all done. You can see how glossy it is. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna check on it way later before I go to bed. And then if it's dry enough, I'll flip it over, and just coat the other side. Some of the sides are done as well. Like this side especially, you can see some of the dripping. But I try not to go overboard because I didn't want to drip on my floor. I don't have anything to put underneath at the moment. Yeah, so it's nice and shiny. The holes are set up to take the bits, hopefully. We're gonna find out. And yeah, but I think it turned out okay. It looks like it should be good. I'm not really worried about bubbles that much. Everything looks pretty good. That doesn't look very glossy. For the most part, everything's pretty glossy. I'll go over it with some more epoxy resin and whatnot after I get a chip brush, which will probably be Wednesday, if I had to guess. Enough rambling. No Trevor today, Trevor tomorrow. Bye-bye.
You see the button there? Subscribe and hit that bell. And if you already subscribed and hit that bell, hit that like button. If you can.
Hopefully. Get it? Whole.
What do you mean?
Why am I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. And then this, nothing to do with the boat. I got the wire I needed to tune the ECU. Brake should be ready next week. And then hopefully it can come off the jack stand, which is, again, nothing new with the boat. But our channel isn't just boats. It's also hikes and weddings, apparently, and runs. Just life. Mostly boats, also life. So